How to send Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can send Bitcoin on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to send Bitcoin on Cash App, first of all, just open up Cash App over here. And once you launch Cash App, just come to the home page that you can find here. Now, over here, you just have to enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to send. And from USD, you can see USD here. If you have Bitcoin, you have to select the option called Bitcoin. Now, in my case, I don't have Bitcoin, so it will prompt me to buy Bitcoin, which I'm not going to do, by the way. So if you don't have Bitcoin, then it will ask you to buy it. But if you do, then you just find the option to send Bitcoin either from the Bitcoin tab or right from here from USD or your current currency. Just change this to Bitcoin if you'd like to send it. This way you'll be able to send Bitcoin on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any question, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.